Hello, good morning, students. Today I am once again with the remaining portion of the story, The Sound of Music. As previously we discussed and we learned a lot. In the first part, we learned how to feel music as we have the character of the girl Evelyn, and we also know in what way she started learning with the upper waist and lower waist from all parts of her body. This little incident taught her a lot, my dear. We learned that how to upgrade our sensation and become able to learn things or external ideas, activities, if it is happening forever. In the second part of the story, today we have the Sehnai of Bismillah Khan. My dear, to learn more about the lesson, we have only three aspects, and it is for your kind understanding. It is the first point, music, and the second point, musical instrument, and the last point is musicians. In the first part of the story, we learned how to feel music, how to realize, although or if we are disabled to listen, we are handicapped. This little story teaches us only to upgrade our sensation and to make ourselves able to listen external things. Here in the first part, with the help of character Evelyn, we learned it more, and we also learned in what way other fellows come to support us, as we have Ron Forbes as the person came forward and supported Alvin and made her able. My dear, the first part ends with the sense of gratitude, although she was being discouraged by the other teachers. And today we are discussing the second part of the story, and I have classified it in three topics. First, the music. Second, musical instrument. Today, for its understanding, I would like to take the support of textbook. Which sort of instrument was banned completely? It was pungi. My dear, this instrument was completely banned by Aurangzeb. He did not allow it to be played because it had very shrill and unpleasant sound. Nobody likes, and I think you also don't like to listen such a vibration in which there would be no pleasure at all. Then you may ask, what happened with the musical instrument? My dear, with the course of correction, it was named Sehnai. This word is formed, my dear, with two different ideas. The first one, this one, and second one, Nai. We also know that our last term, the second term of this word nai is very foremost. A nai means barber brought certain reform and made this instrument very attractive. As we know earlier, it had very shrill and unpleasant sound, but now it had lost its shrilling, its commotion. And what happened after that? It was played in the royal chamber of Shah and was played by a nai. So collectively, it was named as Sehnai. So this one is corrected name with certain features. Earlier, it was known with a certain name, but it was banned. It was not allowed to play. And when it became Sehnai, its next feature, its next name became very popular as it is nowadays. And in this regard, it became very famous. And today we have the third point to discuss: musical instrument, and the third one is musicians. My dear, India has a great heritage of legend musicians, and today we have a very famous character named Bismillah Khan. My dear, name is very popular in India and even in abroad. If it is so, I think you have also known this matter. Thank you, my dear. In my next video, I shall tell you something more.